Testosterone is one of the most important hormones in the human body, specifically for men. And in today's society, the majority of people have low testosterone. Today we are going over how to fix that. Testosterone is the male sex hormone, and low levels of it can cause you to be constantly tired, struggle to gain muscle, depressed, obese, and have low libido. Having low testosterone will also affect your quality of life and appearance, and having adequate levels of testosterone will give you genuine male aspects, just as high estrogen in women causes female traits. High testosterone contributes to a good jawline, deeper voice, increased hair growth, bigger muscles, as well as much higher energy and drive. So let's get into fixing it. These factors are going to go in order from most important to least important, starting with a tie: diet and sleep. Although I personally would lean more towards sleep being more important. Sleep is extremely important for all functions in the human body, but is specifically important for your hormone function. During sleep, your body's hormones will fluctuate and regulate, and this includes things like HGH, which is human growth hormone, and more importantly, testosterone. Testosterone will commonly spike after sleeping at around 7 to 10 in the morning. And if you're a guy, you'll be able to tell. If you don't know what I'm talking about, chances are your testosterone is low. Sleeping for an adequate amount of time and optimizing quality will be one of the greatest drivers in your testosterone levels, and I'm going to show you how. Sleep for 8 to 9 hours every night. Sleep at about the same time every night and wake up about the same time every morning. Take magnesium glycinate 30 minutes before bed. Don't eat anything 3 hours before bed. Stop working 2 hours before bed, and turn off screens an hour before bed. These are, in my opinion, the musts to optimize sleep quality, but there's some other ones out there you could look up on your own. Optimize your sleep and your hormones will thank you, specifically testosterone. Your diet is arguably just as important as sleep for your hormones, and a healthy diet is key to optimizing your testosterone. For starters, you need to cut out the processed foods, no question. You need to add in whole foods, specifically with healthy fats, as fats are the greatest macronutrient for hormone regulation. Eat plenty of high quality meat and fish, eggs, avocados, high quality dairy, and healthy cooking fats like beef tallow, butter, ghee, olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. The runner-up macronutrient for hormones is protein, so make sure you are getting healthy protein sources from just about the same thing as fats: meat, fish, eggs, and if you want, find a high quality protein powder as well. Santa Cruz Paleo makes amazing beef isolate protein and whey protein if you want to check him out. Finally, the third macronutrient, carbohydrates. An often overlooked macronutrient, but it is actually a crucial nutrient for testosterone. Studies show that keto diets, or diets low in carbohydrates, actually had a negative effect on testosterone. So getting a good amount of carbs from healthy sources is amazing for your hormones. So where do we get these carbs from? I'm glad you asked. Eat plenty of high quality sweet potatoes or white potatoes, white rice, vegetables, and fruit. As for the big no's in your diet, look to remove obviously processed foods, but also soy, processed sugars, and most grains with an exception to rice. With diet out of the way, the next place to look is to exercise. Obviously, if you're obese, you're going to have a plethora of health issues, and on top of that, your hormones are going to suffer. Before anything, get to a healthy body weight, as this is going to benefit your health in so many ways, and once you achieve this, you can look to optimize your hormones in ways I'm going to list now. Firstly, you want to hit extremely hard workouts, specifically resistance training, as this will boost your testosterone the most. Many people say that cardio is actually bad for testosterone, but they would be mostly wrong in saying that. And sure, certain endurance training has some studies showing reduced levels in testosterone, but let me explain why that isn't such a big deal. Cardio is amazing for your health, and while it may decrease testosterone slightly, it isn't going to drastically affect you. For example, sprinting provides a massive boost in testosterone, but running long distances does have the potential to decrease it. With running long distances though, you sweat, and sweating can detox microplastic, PFAs, and heavy metals, which will contribute to healthier hormones overall and actually boost your testosterone. So get your cardio in, it's going to benefit you more than it's going to hurt you. Finally, the last thing that is going to negatively impact your testosterone is alcohol consumption. Most people know that alcohol is bad for you, and it is certainly bad for your hormones. Am I saying to completely cut it out? No, but I am saying if you want to benefit your hormones and testosterone, you absolutely should try to limit it, and even better, cut it out entirely. But I know for some people that isn't fully realistic. If you have low test or feel the symptoms of it, I promise you if you do these 4 things mentioned in this video, your testosterone will increase. I'm not saying it will fix all of your problems, but your hormones will undeniably benefit from fixing your sleep, diet, exercise, and alcohol consumption. And remember, if you implement these changes, it's not like the results will come overnight, so give it time and you'll start to notice change. Thanks for watching, everybody.